Is the first process in DNA creation of proteins. It's basically the transfer of information contained in DNA to a sequence defined as RNA.
Into action!
In the eukarya, the transcription starts in the nucleus. The RNA polymerase transcribes different types of genes. The RNA2 transcribes a pre-RNA M, and the RNA polymerase 3, and 1 transcribes the RNA ribosomal and the RNA T. All the RNA previously appointed suffer an alteration. The pre-RNA M transferring a final RNA M after eliminating the introns. This alteration defines with the enhancers what type of proteins will be this RNA. The transcription in eukaryotes is divided in 5 steps. The first one is the pre-initiation. In this step, the factor of initiation binds to the DNA sequence, and the promoters go to the extreme of the sequence of DNA to define the place and order where it will be do the transcription. The second step is the initiation. It's basically the transcription step where the helicase separates the strands of DNA to begin synthesizing RNA and produce the open complex from nucleotide 10. The RNA polymerase have the function of ribonucleotide triphosphate binding. This binding indicates the end of the initiation. The third step is the disintegration of the promoter. In this step, the transcripted strand reaches a length about 23 nucleotides. The complex and does not slide and leads to the next step. The fourth step is the elongation. An RNA sequence is joined by basin pairing to the DNA strand, and in order to form hydrogen bonds correctly determines the next nucleotide of DNA template. The active center of RNA polymerase recognizes incoming ribonucleotide triphosphates. Once this substage is complete, RNA polymerase catalyzes the formation of phosphodiesterase bond corresponding. The fifth and last step in the transcription of eukaryotes is the termination. As the RNA is synthesized, takes a twist form to forcing the RNA to separate of DNA, neutralizing the transcription bubble and putting an end to the process or allowing passage to the addition of proteins. The eukaryotic transcription is activated only when the RNA polymerase 1, 2, and 3 are present, and when the attachment of the enzyme protein complex comprising the process begins, and to finish the transcription in eukaryote is necessary the presence of ribosomal RNA enzymes.